it's not just about, like solving a project for a client or designing something that is going to be built. We do have the ambition of going beyond that. We really do several different scales at the same time. So we do buildings, planning, large-scale strategic studies, and pavilions, curatorial work. We write books, we do research, we all teach, and we do all these things in parallel. It's essential to articulate work at these different scales as if it was the same scale, in a way, because we don't really want to just give technical or consultancy services as an architect, but we want to have this ambition of rethinking the world, and it's essential to rethink the world, to switch constantly from the micro to the macro. Soft versus hard is one of the themes and the point we've been working for years. We're very much interested into this juxtaposition of soft system and like working at a very small scale and then at a big territorial scale. This articulation of soft and hard is extremely interesting and important. In the case of a big scale master plan or key plan, let's say some soft interventions that are intangible intervention. It's not like, like in the case of La Défense, you can't change physically overnight 160 hectares. A project that is planned over a very long term can start with soft and suppler means, just as a form of prefiguration of it, and help also maybe perhaps change the project. So this juxtaposition is extremely important. So this is a synthesis of all the different cartography and booklets and guidelines we produced, which start with a sort of site analysis, and then we go to the general program, to the master plan, and then to some zooms on some specific sectors, looking more precisely at the different zones of interventions and zooming in even at the scale of the paving or the urban element, and producing a series of guidelines, looking at the logistics, at the times of the city, at the cultural policies, at the public space, the artscape, the softscape, urban furniture, security, infrastructure, and also interface with the different buildings. So we really looked at all those issues with this perspective of long term. You have to take into account that you don't need a master plan, a sort of rigid, fixed vision, but you need more a framework that will accommodate this different transformation you can have, at the same time maintain a very, very, very strong-minded vision.